In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password here on a Windows laptop using official and supported methods. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to need to know is what type of account you're actually using. Now, most laptops today use a Microsoft account, but some still do use that local account. If your laptop uses a Microsoft account, the easiest fix is actually just opening up a web browser on a separate device, whether it's a phone, iPad, separate laptop. Essentially, just go ahead and open up that web browser, and I'm using Google Chrome for this, and just go to account.microsoft.com. Once you do get to this section, you're going to see on the sign in screen an option to reset your password. Now, I'm already signed in, so I'm not going to have this, but you'll also see an option if you are signed in to change your password in here as well. Just keep in mind you may have to enter in your PIN. If you are using a local account, for example, though, restart your laptop and look for the reset password option on that sign-in screen. Answer whatever security questions you might have set and then create a new password that way. If neither of those options work for you, though, you're going to have to use Windows Recovery and restart your laptop and just interrupt that boot process a few times and select Troubleshoot and then reset this PC. Obviously, make sure to keep your files, and this will give you access again without deleting any personal data, but that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.